is a lot of information in Handshake. This often makes searches extremely difficult to manage. Today, we will be walking you through using labels to narrow your searches. In case you didn't know, labels are tags that the Career Services Office applies to data in Handshake. These labels are used to help you classify and organize data. You can search using labels in the Employers and Job sections. To use labels to discover employers, you will first need to log in. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. From here, you can click on the Employers icon. You will see several filter options on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down to the Labels section. Here, you will want to click on the text space and select any filters that you're interested in applying. These labels were curated by our Employer Relations team for your use. Once you've selected a filter, the Employer Results page will be narrowed down to include only those employers who fit the selection criteria. Once you find an employer that you are interested in, you can choose to follow that employer, or you can click into their profile. When you visit their profile, you can read more about their business, read questions and answers, view students who've worked there in the past, view labels that have been applied to that employer, and view currently active job postings. Now that we've learned to use labels to narrow employer searches, let's use labels to narrow job and internship searches. Begin by navigating to Jobs. From here, you will notice that filters are organized at the top of the search results. Click on All Filters and scroll down to Labeled by your school. From here, you can select any filters you're interested in. Then select View Results. You can also narrow your results further by entering a keyword or applying other filters, like locations. Once you find an opportunity that you are interested in, you can either save that opportunity for later by clicking on the bookmark, or you can apply to it directly by clicking on Apply. Today, we reviewed how to narrow your searches by applying labels in Handshake. If you have any questions, feel free to direct them to the Employer Relations team at Brown. Otherwise, happy recruiting!